We spoke about it. Finish the round. Work. 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 You're doing just fine.
Come on, Harvey.
Do we act? Do we act? I know it's in you. Let's work.
You can do it.
Work, baby. Believe in yourself. Keep working.
Stay on your defense, Wayne.
5-5-7. Fire off. Block the counter. Work.
They both know what 5-5-7 means.
Yeah. 30 seconds. 30 seconds.
You ain't talking no secret language out here.
30 seconds. What you gonna do in 30 seconds? What you gonna do? You find somebody who can make you better, baby. 30 seconds. What you gonna do with it? That's right. What you gonna do about it? Cut him off. Right. Move. And fire off. Get out of his range. Doing just good. Keep jumping around. Attack. Good job. 25. Focus, brother. That's right. Set him up. Right. Come on. Get involved. Get involved. Keep fighting. 20 seconds, Javier. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it now.
Yes.
That's right. Let's get it now.
Yes.
That's right. Keep pumping and get moved. Keep pumping. Keep pumping. Throw punches in there. That's right. Throw punches in there. 15 seconds. Good. Good. Let's go. Let's go. Keep going. Right. Good try. Good try. Good turn. Time him. 10 seconds. Pick it up, Wayne. Let's go. Fight back. Let's go. Keep and fight and fight and move and move and move and move and move and move. Keep coming. 9. Keep coming. 8. Flip and turn. 7. Aggressive. 6. Flip and turn. 5. Let's go. 4. 3. 2. Time. Give each other a hug.